Hi, Tweetie here. We have links in the description and playlists for you. Hope you enjoy them. Keep an emergency kit for each one of your pets and make a plan of what to do in case you have to evacuate. You might be able to take a dog or cat along to a shelter, but what about your chickens and your horse and your fish? Keep a little extra food on hand for them as well. Make sure that you'll be able to help them and protect them. And so if you make the plans of what you can do with them now, you'll be better off when that time comes and you won't have to panic about what to do. If this has been a good tip for you, please give us a thumbs up. If you want more, subscribe. Thanks for coming. Angels all around. Bye.